very well-known director and a producer. With us here, walking on the red carpet, Mr. Anupam Sharma.
Wow!
Along with us, we have SMM Asuja, a film historian. We also have a very famous actor, Mr. Kunal Kapoor, and filmmaker, Mr. Vivek Vaswani. I would welcome the guest and they're gracing the red carpet. We also have Honorable Counsel General of Australia, Mr. Paul Murphy, and Mr. Asim Bajaj, the producer and the cinematographer. We also have a very famous actor, Mr. Pankaj Kapoor, and Mr. Zahan Kapoor. A big round of applause for everyone. As you can see, they're grazing the red carpet. And hosting them, Mr. Sriraj M, OSD Film, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. A big round of applause. I would now hand over to Ms.
So very good evening everyone. The guests are here and we are excited to host them. A warm welcome, good evening and welcome to MIF. I'd request you please take your stand at the stage because that's where you stand today. And yes, I can see, I request the complete team to come ahead. Oh my god, such great personalities in one picture. Looks like a dream, isn't it? I can see a lot of spirit today. And let me call upon the names that are present over here, the great personalities with us, to the audience as well. Are we ready? Yes, ready to rock the red carpet, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here and the screening of a very special film, Brand Bollywood Down Under. Now the name itself tells so much about Bollywood, so much about the film that we are going to be screening here. And let me call upon the very famous director and producer, Mr. Anupam Sharma. Mr. Anupam Sharma over here. Hello sir, how are you? Thank you so much, I'm good. It feels amazing to be here and you're looking wonderful, I must say. Okay, moving on, we have the film historian, Mr. Maybe I can see SMM Asuja. Hello sir, how are you doing? Thank you so much sir, a warm welcome to MIF. And we have Mr. Kunal Kapoor, the actor of the film. Kunal Kapoor sir. I'm so sorry. Hello sir, how are you feeling? Good? You seem to, I can see the smiles on everyone's face. It is an amazing one. We have Vivek Vaswani, the filmmaker as well. Hello sir, how are you doing? Okay, we have Honorable Paul Murphy, Counsel General of Australia. The most spirited person right now I can see. And Mr. Asim Bajaj, producer and cinematographer. Hello sir. We have Mr. Pankaj Kapoor, actor as well. He's not here. That's fine. Let's move on. We have Mr. Zahan Kapoor. Zahan Kapoor, by request. Please come ahead. Please come ahead. Wow. The young champ on the stage here. And yes, they are being hosted by Mr. Sriraj M, officer on Special Duty Films, MIB, Ministry of IMD. Sir, please, aap bhi stage par aa jaye. Okay, so my first question goes to the director. Mr. Stylish over here, I can say. So, you have been in the industry since so long, like understanding the journey of Bollywood, and you are showing that in the short film. How did the idea come into your mind? What made you, what inspired you?
So it's a documentary. It's a feature documentary. As of 3 weeks ago, it's an award-winning feature documentary. We won the Best Feature Documentary Award. And this documentary is my and 25 million NRI's answer to all the questions in the West. What is Bollywood about? Why is it so colorful? Why do you have songs and dances? Why is it 3 hours long? It's a tongue-in-cheek look. We are thankful to Screen Australia, the Australian government, who take care of all us filmmakers in Australia. I think someone called it the best country for filmmakers to live in. So it's out there, edited by the Oscar-winning Karen Steininger, who co-wrote it. And the film is made by all these icons of Indian cinema, Asim, Vivek, Kunal, many others who couldn't come today, Farhan Akhtar, Fardeen Khan, partly due to traffic, partly due to summer being when all of them go to Europe. And and I'm so excited today, although this is not the target audience, this is the right emotional audience for me. We have got Australian representative in terms of the Consul General, his colleagues, and we've got the guests, cast and crew who are inside, who gave us generously their time, their archives, and their views on Indian cinema. So,
That's really very emotional, plus a proud moment for us. That at times there used to be times where I used to say it Hindi cinema, and now it's a complete Bollywood where we see all over the world we are doing great, and understanding that journey and depicting it into a short film is a work of art. So yes, so let me move on with us, sir. Sir, how does it feel to be here on 18th MIF? How do you feel? What are your thoughts on it?
It's the very first time I'm here and it feels great. Thank you.
The speech was short and sweet, but yes, once again, warm welcome. And thank you so much everyone for being here. I'd request any of you, if you could share your thoughts, how does it feel to be here? It will be pleasure for me to hear, for us to hear. So would you go for?
Hi, thank you very much for having me here tonight. My name is Paul Murphy. I'm Australia's Consul General here in Mumbai. Great pleasure to be here for this event because we've been working for many years to bring about closer collaboration between the film industries of Australia and India, and we've actually signed an audio-visual co-production agreement just in recent years, and we're looking to have more and more films made in a collaborative way between both countries. So great pleasure to be here tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. This also makes us understand the relation of India and Australia and how Bollywood is around the world, not only in India but also around. Also, the team member, hello sir, how are you doing? Are you feeling amazing over here? Would you like to share your thoughts? How does it feel to be on the 5th day where there is very special screening of Bollywood?
Thank you very much. So it's been a journey of 40 years for me. As an actor, as a writer, as a producer, director, distributor, historian, and now teacher. I think what Anupam has done is given us a very significant piece of work which will finally have great archival interest for future generations to come. It's a look at Bollywood and making the West understand what makes Bollywood tick is very important. I get these questions. Why are your films 3 hours long? Why are there songs? Why are there dances? Me and my colleagues have all come and participate, and hopefully we've answered some of those questions for you. Hopefully we have answered a lot of stuff that will make you say, oh, that's why. I think it's a very important film. I'm glad to be part of it, and congratulations, Anupam. God bless you. Hoping to do a lot of co-production with Australia, as I told Paul. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your lovely speech, sir. And let's come to Mr. Sriraj. Sir, how are you feeling today?
We are very excited with the overwhelming response of audience to 18th MIF, and we are eager to watch Brand Bollywood, which says Bollywood's doors in Australia and other parts of the country, other parts of the world. And I thank Anupam, former Consul General, and other eminent personalities to come here to join 18th MIF. I wish we all will have a happy screening.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So many thoughts from all the people here from the team, and it feels amazing that such great personalities have come along on the 5th day of 18th MIF 2024. And without wasting time, let's move ahead. We are super excited to be knowing more about the movie, about the short film, the journey of Bollywood that stands between India and Australia and all around the globe. Thank you.
Sir, wait, we can take the photo for you.
Come close, come close. After photo, we take a video also. Yes. Yeah. तो यहाँ देखिए सेंटर में अरे आप कुछ लोग तो आते सर वेट सर वेट फोटो हो गया अरे एक मिनट धन्यवाद आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद Rolling?
This is something absolutely different. You know, tell us your association with brand Bollywood
Brand Bollywood. My association, listen, I grew up in the industry. I am the third generation. My son is here. He's the fourth generation, in this industry. So that association is long. But then also my association with Anupam, who's made this documentary. I've worked with him. I've shot in Australia twice, for commercials. So yeah, there are lots of connections here.
How do you see the journey of Hindi? From Mumbai to Australia, mentioned in brand Bollywood. Now it's a brand. What's your view about it? It becomes a big brand now.
Well, I think it's great that it become a brand, and we've done well in Cannes this year. So I think it's something to be very proud of. It's something to be very ashamed of that most of the films that did well in Cannes were not produced by India. They were produced by foreign investors. That was not a great idea. We've made a lot of very good films in the past. We've been present in Berlin, we've been present in Cannes, in Venice, but without the publicity. So I think that's been a bit unfair to some of our seniors. But however, having said that, it's great what's happening now, and the fact that media and social media is promoting us even more.
What do you think the USP of documentary is to the brand Bollywood? What do you think the USP of this documentary?
Oh, this documentary, I haven't seen it, so I don't know. I mean, it's about our industry, so I'm dying to go and watch it. Thank you.
Some documentaries, but let me tell you, it's super special today because we have the special screening for not only 1, 2, but yes, 4 curated short films. And yes, as we mentioned, every day is a special one, but today it's a bit more special because there's a screening of complete 4 curated short films by Pocket Films, and we have the very special guests with us, the complete team of Cow Cow. Let me tell you about the 4 curated movies, the 4 curated short films by Pocket Films, starting with the first name, which is Cow Cow, directed by Mr. Dr. Swanand Wagh. Moving on to the Prabha, directed by Miss Simar Bhatia. And yes, the third film, I request the complete team to be here on the stage. Okay, the complete team is here. It feels amazing to see such great personalities, gentlemen on the stage. May I ask you all together, how does it feel to be here, sir? Is the energy high? Yes, I want to hear all together. Wow. That's what we call the strong personalities all together, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to give some more details about the movies, the short films that we are talking here about to the people. Let me tell you, Pocket Films has got you 4 curated short films. And yes, we are glad, sir, you are here with us. The first movie that we'll be talking about is Cow Cow, which is directed by Dr. Swanand Wagh. Moving on with the second movie, which is Prava, directed by Miss Simar Bhatia. And the third one, directed by Mr. Ankit Abbas, which is Bahar Aa Chaman Prakash. This sounds really an interesting word, I think so. Moving on, the next short film was directed by Miss Pratima Joshi, that is Chand Saase. And here we have the team of Cow Cow, isn't it? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead. And Cow Cow, we have Dr. Swanand Wagh, the director. And warm welcome, sir. It feels amazing to have you here. And we are glad that you participated here with us in this festival. Let me come to you as we have so many questions with the incredible name Cow Cow. So this is personally my question towards you. When we hear to the word which is Cow Cow, what is one thing that inspired you? Ki, haan, is short film ka naam ye hoga? What is something that came in your mind?
The reason behind this title Cow Cow, because it's so simple. I could have easily gone with a difficult title or something which has a deep meaning. But मेरी जो कहानी वो एक child के POV से, kid के POV से. So that along that title Cow Cow, उसे just आवाज जो आ रही थी crow का. So that way.
That's really interesting. So I would like to name out all the names that is related to Cow Cow. Director is Dr. Swanand Wagh is here. Music director by Mr. Sankalp Zore. And yes, assistant director by Mr. Aniket Kalyan Kasture. And we have the cast as well, which is Ms. Divya Parthe, Ms. Pratiksha Kamble, and production head by Mr. Shubham Kadam. And let's not forget the director of photography, that is DOP, Mr. Rupesh Kotetkar. And yes, it is amazing. The concept is very amazing. Before you came inside, I was also studying about the movie, the short film that we are going to see. It's about a child. We have a kid in the movie as well. So the main challenge is it is very sensitive topic. When it comes to such topics where ladies are involved, there's something that we don't usually discuss outside. But in this movie, we are discussing that thing. So how challenging is it, or how do you get the strength, the smartness to discuss and disclose such sensitive topic and having a kid artist, a child artist in the movie? How do you make it to happen?
Like you said, it was a really challenging task. First of all, to convince the child, then his mother especially, because the child he's not a professional actor. He stays in that village where the shooting was done. So it was very challenging task to convince his mother that we are going to shoot a short film which is related to periods, which is related to Pindadan types, जो भी reference था. So it was challenging, but I don't know, but it just happened. I successfully convinced them to let her child act in that movie.
That's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. All the movies are here. And yes, how can we forget? How can we forget the host and presented by? It is being presented because of him. The movies are reaching here to us. Amazing ones. So, Mr. Ajay Dhoke, the General Manager of Northside. Shri Pankaj Saxena, Artistic Director, MIF. Welcome, sir. It feels amazing to have you here on the stage. And yes, let's thank Mr. Samir Modi. He's the Managing Director of Pocket Films. Hello, sir. Can you answer a few of the questions from our side as well? Okay, so here we have the question to you is, what inspired you to participate in the Mumbai International Film Festival this year?
I think MIF is one of the foremost festivals in the country, which primarily focuses on short films and documentaries. And being a distributor of short films, I think it was only natural for us to be here. And we got a great opportunity here, thanks to MIF, to bring some of our films for the audiences here, as well as give a certain podium for creators like them here. So this, I think, kind of helps us in throwing the spotlight on this format of content and creating a lot greater awareness for such films. And we feel that this is one of the most interesting formats, especially given reduced attention spans. And the more we put the spotlight on these films, it's always better, and we're doing our role in it.
That's amazing, sir. Curating 4 films, like 4 short films all together, it's a big task. And we are glad that you're here. You will always be participating in the MIF, and we will always give you a warm welcome here. And now my next question is for Shri Pankaj Saxena, the Artistic Director at MIF. Sir, as you see, every day an incredible story comes ahead. In this festival we are promoting, we are screening so many incredible movies, short films which inspires the audience. What are your thoughts on it? How do you feel to be part of it, or how do you feel to do it?
Thank you, that's a really good question. I just want to sort of remind the people who may not know, fiction cinema started with short films, and then short films became long films. And when short films became long films, people forgot short films. So the whole market and the whole imagination was captured by the long films. But the talent for making short films was always there, and is still here, very much here. The requirement for short films to prosper is to give them distribution and to make that business viable, which is what Samir is doing and doing it splendidly. So I'm really delighted that we are able to curate these films here, and that Samir himself is present here along with his creative team. So it's a very delightful moment for us.
Thank you so much. And let's move on. I'll come to Mr. Ajay Dhoke here. He's the General Manager of North Area. And sir, we are here since 5 days now. It's a 7-day-a-week festival. What are your thoughts on that? How does it feel to be managing all these things? And since we are almost close to success of the event, how does it feel? Please put light on it.
I was very excited about the organization of the MIF because it was not known even in March as soon as I came to know that we are organizing this year, that too in June, so I was very, very worried about the rains. But actually, rains have actually helped us to keep us cool, but no flooding. Secondly, we were very skeptical about the response of the people, but the response is amazing. We are very thankful to all the people who came in such a great numbers. They watched the films. After their watching of the film, their delighted faces, that actually relieved all our pains which were for organizing this film festival. And this is one of the film festival where the independent filmmakers are getting a lot of opportunity to showcase their film. And I am very thankful to the organizing committee, all, and the filmmakers who showcase their films here. Thank you.
It was an amazing answer, sir. This is very true that every day, new films. We see new short films, we see new documentaries, and through that there are so many incredible messages that we share to the viewers. And because of people like all of you, because of the personalities like you, we are able to watch such amazing films. Thank you so much to the complete team. It feels amazing to have you all over here. And I would request all the team all together to get ready for the family photo all together. Can we have it? And presented by Shri Ajay Dhoke, General Manager, and yes, Shri Pankaj Saxena, Artistic Director. We have Cow Cow Director, Dr. Swanand Bhatt, an amazing short film, and we have 3 more at the back, which will be coming one by one, and we are super excited about the response, about the message that is going to be passed on to us through the short film. Thank you, sir. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, for you all to know, and we are lucky enough that we have one more director over here, as we mentioned about the movie, the short film that is Bahar Aaj Chaman Prakash. We have the celebrated director over here, Mr. Aniket Dabas. Good evening, sir. How are you feeling to be here?
It's quite exciting, and I'm very privileged to be a part of this whole setup. And though the way Namashi was in the film, Namashi Chakrabarti, Mithun sir's youngest son, and we had Amol Gupte sir playing his father, and we touched a very sensitive topic regarding LGBTQ community, and in that we sort of left a very open ending. We didn't give it a complete happy ending that 90% of the times people like to watch. We sort of kept it open that the father and the son, they don't meet an eye to eye, but still love should prevail at the end of it. It was a very sensitive and a difficult topic to actually play with, and the way we did it, I'm really glad, and the way it came out, all the technicians, Sopan, my DOP, and everyone on board worked amazing, and they did a fantastic job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So I'd like to tell you, sir, before everyone was entering inside, I was reading about all the movies that we are going to be screening about. So when I heard about Bahar Aaj Chaman Prakash, when we hear this name, it is quite, quirky, or, it's a bit tricky, funny to us. How did this title come to your mind?
So yeah, we were thinking, to keep it, because it was a little sensitive, and we have not taken a mockery out of the subject. So we told ourselves that let's keep it light in terms of the title. So it's like coming out of the closet. Saying it in Hindi, Bahar Aaj Chaman Prakash, just get up and come out. So that is what he does in the opening of the short film as well. He comes and he stands in front of his father and he says that, he does not want to get married because he's gay.
So the question that comes in my mind after listening and after understanding the short film is, since the Cow Cow was also a very sensitive topic, but it is accepting that people are accepting the topic. Okay, something like this exists. But the topic that you are making, you have directed the film on, it's a very sensitive topic that we usually don't talk about it. But being a director, you are you're spreading the message. There are many people who would like and who would not like. So what do you think? What is your response to the people who would not like, who would like? What is your response? How are you feeling about it? Okay, if people like or not, I am here. I'm going to show the truth. What do you think of that?
Very nice question and interesting one, because I was also in doldrums. I was in two parts, whether we should end it and call it off that the father is not accepting him. He doesn't also in the short film, but at the end of the day, you know, I have my friends, they're very close friends, that actually came out pretty late in life and I got to know about them. And nothing changed in my friendship with them. So that is what I wanted to showcase through this short film, that friendship should not go away. Like Himani is playing the love interest of Namashi. She actually just wanted to get along and get married because she wanted to be an independent woman. So even after when he blasts out and comes in front of his father, Himani still supports him. And when she's going, just a look in the end of the short film depicts that, you know, she supports Namashi.
That's very nice. That's very nice. Whether the response is going to be anyway, it's you have kept in mind that I want to give a message and give an awareness of this topic. It is amazing, sir. You're doing a great, great, great job. The complete team is here, and Pocket Films, we are really glad to have you here. And I hope it will be an amazing one, a successful one, and the audience as well will enjoy the movie and watch it with the family as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the complete team. Wishing you good luck, all the very best, and it's a big day. Can we have a picture together? Once again, thank you so much to the complete team for participating in MIF, and wishing good luck. I request the complete team to come ahead. Amazing, the complete team is here, and wishing a warm welcome to them as well. Calling out once again, we have the music director, Mr. Sankalp Zore. Assistant Director, Aniket Kalyan Kasture. We have the cast, Ms. Devya Parthe, Ms. Pratiksha Kamble, production head by Mr. Shubham Kadam, Director of Photography, Mr. Rupesh Kothikar. And yes, the Bahar are Chaman Prakash, an amazing short film that we are going to witness. Mr. Aniket Dabas, the director of the film, sharing such a great message. Both the movies, both the short films are going to be an amazing one, an eye-opener for the audience, and we move ahead for the screening. Thank you so much. Let's get back to it. Good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to everyone and to ma'am on this amazing 5th day of 18th MIF 2024. And ma'am, once again, I would like to announce that every day there are so many screenings that happen. It could be 1 short film, 2 short film, but today we have 4 short films over here, and that is all because of none other than Pocket Films. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to talk about the film, the short film Prabha, and we have Miss Simar Bhatia, director, writer, and producer. Kya baat hai, ma'am? You are a multi-talented woman over here. You know, a real definition of Wonder Woman is standing right here, and it's amazing to have you here. You're looking wonderful today. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's start with the red carpet questions. And when I heard about the short film that was Prabha, so I learned that this short film is about traveling. So is it connected to your life, or it just you got inspired with someone else's life to write about it, to direct it, and after all, at the end, to be releasing such movie? Is it your story or someone else's story?
It is kind of my story, लेकिन ये सबकी कहानी है. जो भी लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं, whichever people travel, हम सब we have different experiences. हम अलग जगहों में जाते हैं, अलग लोगों से मिलते हैं, अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है. सो ये कहानी सबकी है, नॉट ओनली माइन, बट जो भी ये मूवी देखेगा एक ना एक स्टोरी तो से रिलेट 100% that person will do, you know. So it's basically about a traveler, and we all are travelers, and it's about a traveler going from one location to point D location, and in that journey he meets 5 different people. तो 5 अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस उसके होते हैं. So it's about discovering yourself, meeting different people. हम किसी को कुछ देते हैं interaction में, किसी से कुछ सीखते हैं. So it's about that. It's a very interesting travel journey, and I think you all should definitely watch it and take this journey.
That's amazing one, that it will relate to everyone's life about traveling. So this one is the question from my side, as I think that, you know, before in ancient times we can say the people who used to travel a lot or migrate, like if they migrate here and there, we used to call them Banjara. जो भी होता था. Is it any connection between it, or is it just the traveling part, or is it about the migrating part as well? What is the movie actually into?
Actually, it's about a traveler. It's like bohemian, हम जैसे travel करते हैं, and we meet people. So it's not about somebody like just going taking on a trip. It's a nature photographer जिसका passion traveling भी है. So my main protagonist, जो शरद मल्होत्रा, he's playing. He's a nature photographer. So वो photography के साथ he loves meeting people, exploring different places. So ये कहानी उसके आसपास पूरी revolve होती है, and how he connects into this journey with different experiences, and then finally what he discovers about himself during this journey. This is what this movie is about. Details though, I think you all should watch it. So you all will get the details.
That's amazing one. That's amazing one. This movie is going to be an Ilahi. आपको पता है वो song है Ilahi about what is that movie? ये जवानी है दीवानी. एंड प्लस वो यार सॉन्ग से याद आया, सो ये पहली शॉर्ट मूवी है जिसका एक गाना भी है जो 3 मिनट का गाना है, ओ बाबरे. इट्स प्लेइंग राइट नाउ ऑन iTunes, Amazon Music. इसका ऑडियो सब जगह चल रहा है. इट्स sung by विकास भल्ला, ध्रुव भल्ला, who has done just now Mr. and Mrs. Mahi Ranjana, and plus Oye Lucky, Tere Bin Laden. He has composed and written this song. So it's the first song in a short movie, which is actually, you know, first song actually, 3 minutes. So I mean, you all should listen to the song. It's again relates to all the travelers, all the people, and you all will love the song. It's very soothing, very nice. That's amazing. This is something new that we're here listening to it. That we also have a song in a short film. So it's going to be an entertainment. This is a plus point to your short film. It's amazing to have you here, ma'am. It is amazing when we are glad that you're part of Myth. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can we get ready for the paparazzi picture?
Look at them.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was the director, writer, and producer of the short film Prabha, Miss Simar Bhatia over here. We have the main protagonist in the short film, which is Mr. Sharad Malhotra. And we are glad for you being the part of MIP 2024, the 18th edition. Today we are on the day 5th day, and an incredible one where we are screening and interviewing four shows. The other day, we have so many screenings over here as well, but there is something special because आज के दिन सिर्फ 1 या 2 स्क्रीनिंग नहीं हो रही रेड कार्पेट पे, बल्कि 4 से 5. And yes, we have the very special film with our one of the favorite director over here, and the film is Prabha. We have Miss Simar Bhatia, the director, writer, producer, the Wonder Woman of the film. Can we all have a huge round of applause and warm welcome to her, as well as a very well-known actor. उनको तो देख के आप समझ जाएंगे, he's very well-known. And let's call upon Mr. Sharad Malhotra. He's the main protagonist in the movie. And yes, Sharad sir, I would like to tell you, पहले हमने मैम का इंट्रोडक्शन ले लिया. She did mention about you, about the movie, the short movie which is Prabha, about traveling. So does it connect with your life?
I think firstly, very good evening to my entire family out here. I think this is my family. A lot of faces I know who see me over the years. I've grown as a person, as an actor. Coming back to the Mumbai International Film Festival, feels great. I think this is a platform. I think every actor wants to probably be a part of it. Every director wants to be a part of it. Very esteemed jury, the entire team. I think thank you so much for having us here. Coming back to my director, I think Simar, when she had approached me for this film, the first thing she said कि we get to travel. So I said जो भी हम लोग करते हैं, मैंने कहानी भी नहीं सुनी थी, ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. And then obviously, you know, when she sat down and she wrote the script and everything came together. बहुत मज़ा आया, क्योंकि पहली बात तो आई थिंक हम सबको घूमना बहुत पसंद है. ट्रैवलिंग एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके साथ आई थिंक वी ऑल रेजोनेट, हम कनेक्ट करते हैं. सो आई थिंक घूमने के साथ थोड़ी एक्टिंग भी कर ली, थोड़ा मज़े भी कर लिए, और क्या चाहिए यार. आई थिंक इट्स अ कंप्लीट पैकेज. एंड ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ ग्रेट when the film is getting screened at the Mumbai International Film Festival. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. That was a very nice answer that it connects with everyone. Any one specific message? Any one specific message that this short film wants to convey to the viewers? ऐसे कोई वैसे तो बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा, बहुत कुछ जानने को मिलेगा about the journey of a traveler. But one thing that you learned and you would like to pass on as a message to the viewer.
I think कई बार लाइफ में क्या होता है ना कि हम किसी चीज़ के पीछे भाग रहे होते हैं और अक्सर वो आपके पीछे भाग रही होती है. So what you seek might be seeking you. So I think the idea of Prabha is that we are always running, we are always flowing like water. You know, the idea is to flow like water. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि we are running कि लाइफ में ये कर लें, वो अचीव कर लें, यहाँ चले जाएं, उससे मिल लें. बट कई बार होता है कि लाइफ भी आपको शायद आपके लिए वो सब प्लान कर रही होगी पहले से ही, बट वी डोंट नो. So I think it's important to just keep flowing. And as they say, I think a rolling stone gathers no moss. It's important to just keep flowing like water. कहीं भी थमना नहीं चाहिए. I think जितने हमारे सब फैमिली यहाँ पर है मेरी, ये आज तक थमे नहीं है. ये सालों से मुझे ऐसे ही दिख रहे हैं और ऐसे ही दिखते रहेंगे, आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. One picture. So a very powerful line that he said about flowing like water all the time. And working and being with such experienced actor, Mr. Sharad Malhotra over here. Also, Ms. Simar Bhatia. Ms. Simar, please come in the frame, come in the frame. Our movie isn't complete without the director as well. Let's have a picture together. And that was all about the short film Prabha, the story of a traveler, the journey of a traveler, like a fresh water flowing all the time. Thank you.
अबे यार ये ट्राइपॉड को गिराया है ना. चलो फटाफट स्क्रीन चालू है. I'll just take your
Yeah.
How important are the film festivals? You know, they came a long way from the 8th year. What's your take?
I think this is the 18th Mumbai International Film Festival. So I think it's a great platform यार. I think many times क्या होता है कि short films को platform चाहिए दिखाने के लिए, लोगों को देखने के लिए. So I think what better than this platform? I think it's one of the biggest platform we have in the country.
Little about your project, you know, screen over here and your.
It's called the Prabha, means the flow. मतलब ये है कि हमेशा ज़िंदगी में बहते रहो भाई, रुको मत. So बस हमारी फिल्म भी वैसी है. बस अगर आप देखेंगे तो समझ में आया कि एक बंदे की जर्नी है, कैसे वो स्टार्ट करता है किसी चीज़ की खोज में और वापस कैसे घूम के आता है. तो इट्स ट्रैवलिंग इन सर्च ऑफ समथिंग
And ended up somewhere else.
एंड ऑफ समवेयर एल्स.
Are you talking about guide?
Sorry?
Are you talking about Deval Saab guide?
नहीं, Dev Saab obviously is a legend and even Guide is a legend. I wouldn't say was a legend. Guide will always be a legend. I think it's an epic of a film. But yes, this is a short film. शॉर्ट फिल्म में क्या खूबसूरती क्या होती है कि आपके पास बहुत लिमिटेड बजट होता है, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज होते हैं, लेकिन आइडिया बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. द डायरेक्टर ऑब्वियसली हैज़ अ थॉट, हैज़ अ विजन, so we have to do in that limited time and the budget and everything. So, yes. And luckily I think the film is doing very well. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.